Hello and welcome to the Everyday Miracle with Denise. Today is June 24th, 2022, and today I've pulled a card from the Enchanted Map Oracle deck by Colette Baron-Reid. I've pulled card number 16, Rescue. You are always safe and secure and free to be yourself. So this card is really asking you or telling you that asking for help isn't easy for many successful people. However, that's what you need to do right now as you expand your life. If you find yourself troubled, you can expect help with whatever issue is at hand now. You only need to ask and assistance will come your way. The most important support that you can expect is from Spirit. Get into a right relationship with the divine and you'll see that many conditions line up as if by magic to provide you with all the help you need. Ask and you will receive. There is no need for fear. Safety is a place within.